Did you ever thought Africa would one day rise up to assemble electric bike or even manufacture electric bicycle? Well, many people wouldn't have even thought of that, but now it's really possible that Africa is also doing so. The video you just watched is Odemaya. No, he went to Kenya and then interviewed a billionaire who has been able to assemble a nice place, a big factory where he assembles electric bicycles. His aim is to electrify the whole of Africa with electric bicycle and cars, and he has made it possible. Just appreciate what some Africans are also doing in their country. You appreciate them a lot because many people wouldn't even think of doing something like this because in their mind, who is going to buy it? And sometimes some people also do think and believe that if a black man assemble a bicycle, a motor bicycle, or a car, it's not going to last long. It can even hurt you whilst using them. That's not true. So he broke all barriers and said, I am going to assemble these bicycles. And indeed, he has done it. Let's watch this video and then see how he was able to do this. And massive credit to Wodemaya for giving us this content to as well. Thank you. Just watch the video.
This is really innovative to see that every single bike in here is actually electric. This is to tell you that the future of Africa is electric, and I'm so glad that it's actually started from Kenya. So Kenya is on a journey to electrify the entire Africa. I mean, one vehicle at a time. Is Rome a manufacturing or assembly plant? This is the factory that gave birth to Rome. I mean, apparently this is the largest electric vehicle manufacturing plant in the entire East Africa. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to Rome Electric.
Thank you.
Yes.
What I'm quite interested in is why Rome?
Because we are roaming around, roaming Africa, roaming towards the world.
Okay.
Yes.
And the goal is to electrify the entire Africa, one vehicle at a time.
At a time, yes.
Oh, wow. Africa's future is electric. That's quite interesting. So I really want to see where the production goes on.
Yes, of course. This is our reception area.
Reception
so we have
area.
our production floor around there.
Okay.
Inside, yeah. So maybe you can just roam around the reception area and then we go roam around the production area.
That would be awesome. And what is this? Is it like a charging spot?
Yeah, so this is a charging, like it's just a sample. Like this is what we have to show them to our customers first, and then our customers become interested, happy.
That's it?
Yeah.
All right. I think I'm done roaming around the reception area. This is where the entire production takes place.
Yes.
How many bikes do you guys manufacture in a day?
For now, because we are entering towards the end of the year, we do 25 bikes a day.
Every single day?
Yes, every single day.
And I love the fact that these are done by Kenyans.
Yes.
You know, made in Kenya by Kenyans, eh?
Made in Kenya, made for Kenyans.
By Kenyans.
By Kenyans.
That's a beautiful one, man. So all these are already made?
Yeah, so here we have some bikes are made for our employees. So this is the parking area for the employees. And then we have this one ready for delivery, ready for dispatch.
Oh, wow. So you make bikes for your employees. So the Rome employees actually use Rome.
Yes. That's why we said we are roaming around, roaming Africa, roaming all over the world.
That's impressive. And what about this one? Oh, do not touch.
Yeah, do not touch. They are ready for dispatch. Like everything has been done. So are waiting for the customers.
Which stages do the bike has to go through for us to have a complete bike?
Our production line at the moment is one, and I've told you earlier we produce 25 bikes on that one line.
Okay.
This one line we have 8 stations from 1 to 8.
Okay.
Probably station 1 to 4 mostly mechanical, station 5 to 8 electrical. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So the frame is the key aspect of what we designed over all these years, right? This is fully designed and fully built by us. So every single aspect, every single hole, bolt, cranny was designed specifically for this market. This is more of like making sure that we have the right load cases, we make sure that we can have the right rigidity, making sure that, when someone decides to carry, I don't know, 3 people and they are traveling somewhere, that we are comfortable with how safe and secure it is, and making sure that it can outlast any other bike in the market. This is where it all started, and that's why the production line starts with a barebone frame.
So what are you getting so far from the conversation? So whenever we have limited belief, we sometimes do not think we can do things beyond our imagination. We only feel like, oh, if some people are doing it, they have the capacity to do it or complete what they started. We don't have it. It is a lie we tell ourselves almost all the time. We all have the capabilities of starting something and finishing it, and then the reward will be massive. So there's no need limiting ourselves to things that will not benefit us. All we are trying to earn or achieve is money after our hard work. So why don't we finish whatever we started? So like the man has also done, he started something, and with persistence and consistency, he has been able to finish almost half of his goal, and he's happy that people are patronizing these electric bicycles in Kenya. Very soon, it will be across the whole of Africa, and we are also going to enjoy them. But if this man can do it, if you are within your country and you have the capabilities of also starting something similar, don't wait anymore. Start producing them, and your people will also appreciate it by purchasing and using them. This still remains Street Talk Central. Thank you for being a part of my episode today, and I appreciate your time for watching. Also, subscribe as always. Do subscribe to the channel, and don't only subscribe, rather turn on your post notifications so I don't miss anything all the time. And also let me know your views in the comment section. Do you think what this man has been able to do is going to encourage many Africans to also start something similar within their country? Let me know in the comment section. Share the video and like the video.
From there, it starts now slowly becoming a bike, right? Here we're talking more about,